The next thing we have to do is compare Xtended with qtile. So the way to create qtile is that one, and we want to compare it with Xtended. And now we go back up, quick check. All right, and this is it. So printer stuff, indeed, we don't need it. Good idea to get that out. It's always a good idea to do melt compare, and you figure things out. We always can add it back later if we do want to print, and if that's a problem for you. Okay, so qtile needs this. Okay, desktop specific qtile, save. All right, let's put that online, and that's it for me. Qtile has been added. Not sure if I did my last push, but anyway, there it is. Qtile has been added.